Hey everybody, how y'all doing? How you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. 12 days of Jammas. And those of you who are new right on over here, let me extend a special welcome to you. And let me also thank you so much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, manners and respect. I know somebody are going in the comment section but Miss Debbie to the two video them in a one close. Yes, for the very first time on the Jamaican cooking journey, I'm going to deliberately do it for here where somebody are going to say, come right on in over here. Now today's little video is like this. You saw me did pickle. Some people, most Jamaicans know this. Some people are not Jamaicans, they don't know it. So they were wondering what it is for. Somebody even commented they thought pickling was done with salt. Pickling is different from pickles, okay? So I'm gonna show you. These are two light of the breakfast. So just like a brunch, you look at, you know, you're there at home, you want a little ketchup, it can be for breakfast. Because a lot of people seem to think that pickles only go with fried fish or something like that. So I'm just gonna be showing you how you can use your pickle and what you can use it for. Right here, you see I have some sardines. I just drained it from the tin, and I have some scrambled eggs with both of them with crackers, Jamaican tough crackers, and some slices of tomato. So I just want to show you to let you know that you can just, you know, take your pickle from your jar. Normally we would leave this on our table in our kitchen. This pickle, when we do it, it is left on our kitchen cupboard or on our kitchen table. That's how we do it in Jamaica. So you also want to get some of your carrots, because you know we have the carrot and the chocha in there, and the scallion. So let me go and take out some for you whilst I make, in case I make some mess. So let me just go and take out some and show you, return with the presentation. Okay, family? Okay, now family, so I've gone ahead and I've put the pickle. So what you want to do now, I have not burst the peppers. You just want to drizzle some of this liquid, which is so nice, right on top. Make it drizzle right down there. I did not cut the peppers in this pickle. It's up to you, because it's not everybody want this eat, you know. It's seasoned. It is seasoned with the pepper. The flavor is not the eat. The eat from the peppers are not in the liquid. If I cut them, then it would be. So you can take out a pepper and you can have a piece, cut it in two, put back a piece, don't make it catch the food. Or if you want a whole pepper like me and you want some eat. So I did not cut the peppers. So, you know, just an option. If you want to cut your pepper, you can cut your pepper. Now the pickle is ready. You see how it looks? So I'm just showing you how those who don't understand or never had pickle, those even Jamaicans, because a lot of people think you just put it with fish. No, it doesn't go with fish only, it goes with so many things. So let me present to you these nice two little breakfast ideas, or little, you know, ketchup, little whatever, from my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your brunch, your little breakfast, even a little late night snack table. Please do enjoy. This is a little Jamaican thing. It's for you. Once more, enjoy. Please to tell me in the comment section which one of them you're picking up. Please tell me which one you pick up. This for you all. Please tell me which one you're picking up. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to leave your comments below. So principled and so decent. Those of you who have been unsubscribed, please resubscribe yourselves and hit the bell. Okay, when you do hit the bell, please leave your comments below. When you hit the bell, that is how you will be informed of another upload. Okay, and that is how you will become a member of a post notification shout out crew. Today's post notification shout out goes to, we're coming back to normal with calling names and all of that, but this was just for the 12 days of Jammas. We're coming down to par. Okay, so remember to like, share, subscribe again. Those of you who would like to get in contact with me, in the description of the video my information is there. Also my PayPal donation button is still on my channel and all of that. Okay, please do enjoy once more. Debbie from Donga Yard, I say bless, no stress.